Hape Holding AG, a leader in design and manufacturing high-quality educational toys and products made from sustainable materials, was established in Germany back in 1986 by founder and CEO Peter Handstein. Hape owns factories globally, including China, Germany, Romania, Latvia, etc. Their toys are sold in over 100 countries and regions. I'm sure your country has them too. In 1995, Hape factory in Ningbo city in China was established, covering the area of 58,600 square meters. It's located only 3 kilometers from Beilun port. We are in one of the most important parts of our presentation about Hape. So what I'm holding here right now, let me start with this. A lot of test reports from different markets, basically European countries and USA, for the products of Hape. It means that they went through the testing and they qualify and apply the standards and demands of the different markets basically. All right, now we are in IKEA workshop of Hape. As you can see here, this workshop is operated by this very advanced technology. The machine is behind me. You can see there is a a really advanced machine operated by these employees. What's being produced, you see here, is called Ramschalt brackets for IKEA. And as I was told, the daily capacity is 9,000 pieces for this product. Basically, you can see all the employees have their instructions attached on the line so that they don't make any mistakes, obviously. So it proves that Hape follows basically all the guidelines and establish tight control over the production line. Apart from the sustainability development, Hape always cares about the growth of the next generation. So in this testing lab, you can see a lot of testing equipment, starting from physical tests here. On the top, you can see all these testing instructions and explanations. Template, e-test, torque test, tension, compression, impact test, flexibility, sharp point, etc. So here you can see the aging test as well. So they see how the products adapt to the different stages of being played by the kids. And in here, most of the very important ones actually for different markets, you can see EN71 stability test, ASTM F936 stability test, and also ISO 8124 stability test. They also invest heavily in design, development, and innovation to create trend-leading products with attractive and creative functions. We are here right now in this massive office. On my right, you can see the designing department. The design department consists of designers coming from 10 countries. They make up the international design team.